Let's learn how to use a custom gesture so that almost any application can be switch accessible. First, you want to go into the app and say, okay, what do my gestures need to be? So for this one, I might want one gesture that goes from like that and a different gesture that goes like that, so I can get most of the fruit that comes through the screen. Once I've kind of figured out what my gestures are going to be, I'm going to go into my iPad settings and I'm going to go down into accessibility. I'm going to go into switch control. I'm going to go into my switches, and I already have my red switch set up, but I do need to set up a second switch, so I'm going to add a switch. It's going to be external. I'm going to touch my switch. It automatically recognizes it. I'm going to call it the green one, and I'm going to hit save, and I'm just going to tell it to select the item. Now I'm going to go into recipes, and I'm going to create a new recipe, and the name is going to be Ninja. I'm going to assign a switch, the red one, and I'm going to create a custom gesture. So I'm going to swipe and say stop, and then I'm going to save. Now I'm going to assign another switch, the green one, for a custom gesture, and go the other way and stop and save. And then I'm going to come back. I'm going to launch my Ninja recipe. Now I'm going to go into my Bluetooth and turn it back on and connect to my applicator. If I connect to my applicator before I set up my switches, I don't have access to my keyboard to name my recipe. Now I'm going to go into my application, triple click to set up my switch control, and now I'm going to play the game.